Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now by placing the key to ACC or on so the car electronics are active. This ensures proper handshake when we reset. Once done, disconnect the negative battery terminal and leave it off for 60 to 90 seconds to clear volatile memory and reset modules. Make sure to lock the car or keep doors closed to prevent accessory lights drawing power. This step forces the LCD controller to lose stored state before we restore power and proceed to reinitialization. After the wait, reconnect the negative terminal securely and tighten to manufacturer torque so you won't get intermittent contact. Next, turn the ignition to ACC, then to on without starting the engine. This allows the infotainment system to boot and detect changes. Now use the vehicle's menu. Go to Settings, right arrow Display or System, and select Factory Reset, or perform the car-specific button combo, often holding Power Plus menu for 10-15 seconds, to force the LCD to reload firmware and recalibrate touch input. Once the reset is triggered, let the system complete a full boot cycle. Wait 5 to 10 minutes so the LCD can reload firmware and rebuild caches. Then verify touchscreen responsiveness, brightness, and presets, and re-enter phone and radio pairings because settings are cleared. If the display remains blank, flickers, or shows artifacts, inspect the fuse for the infotainment circuit, and then the LCD ribbon connection behind the dash. Loose contacts cause these symptoms and often explain why a reset alone won't fix the hardware-level issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.